Creating these amazing text effects took 20 seconds each. No Photoshop required, no skills. I used a brand new tool you might have heard of, ChatGPT. Let me show you how. Switch over to ChatGPT, type a short prompt, wait and see. There it is. That was actually less than 20 seconds. Wait a second. One thing matters most: quotation marks. That's the signal for ChatGPT. Write this, don't interpret it. But that's the only rule, I promise. Stop. Pro tip: you can use the same workflow in Google Gemini. Its image model, Nano handles text effects well. And yes, double quotes again. Hold on. A lot of people get one thing wrong when prompting. More words don't make prompts better, just longer. Don't overprompt. Clear and short usually beats long and complicated. One more second. There's a simple trick to set the aspect ratio. Just put it at the end of the prompt, for example, 16:9. This works in ChatGPT as well as in Gemini. One more thing. ChatGPT doesn't just generate images from prompts. It can write the prompts itself. It can start from scratch or work on your drafts. Try it. ChatGPT and Gemini don't just create images, they can read them too. Your own, for example. Give it one. And a short prompt brings text effects right into your photo. Wait a second. I almost forgot the best part. Have you found a text effect you like? Put it into ChatGPT or Gemini and replace the text with your own words. That's it. 20 seconds each.